Yan, so we're here at Ocean Park, guys. Char.
Okay.
Yan, guys. So pado naman sa entrance, guys. Yan.
Come on, Crystal. Nag-live video ka, live ka?
Nag-video lang for the vlog. Your journey starts here. Hey. Bird show schedule. Yan.
Where's Mom? Ma!
Bird show, guys. Ang tanami, guys. So
The sky belongs to the birds. Although
bird show,
they are
guys.
also masters of the land and
Cebu
sea.
Ocean Park.
No other group of animals can venture so high in the air. Nest in all land masses and dives
Tago
at
aron.
great depths below the water. Images of birds in flight soaring through the sky signifies freedom and hope.
Come on. Haggard na.
But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of a truly amazing and intelligent being.
Muna, guys, lugar sa mga liwata. Nasa Lirayota, guys.
So here we go. Let us start our show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. So
Wow.
Bandit right here is a red and green macaw, also known as a green-winged macaw. This macaw can be found in the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. There we go. Our show is officially started. A round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit. May hapon sa tanan, my name is Jayan, your host for today's show, and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. So our next set of birds are just okay. So with trainer next we have Blue, and with trainer Gabriel we have Azul. But before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you
Nice,
guys
guys.
into two groups.
Bird.
So birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! First ring for Blue. What a clever technique from Azul. So trainer next, did you see that? Trainers in the 3 times in the phone. What can you say? Are you guys cheating? Did you guys really cheat?
We didn't cheat, Azul just used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more wiser than boys? A round of applause for Blue and Azul. So up next, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Just raise your hand. One adult volunteer. I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Just raise your hand. I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. 20, 50, 100 or any paper bill. Just raise your hand. Yes, please come here on stage and bring me through your money bill. So as you can see, all our birds are cards because cards are highly intelligent and musically inclined. Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. Blue flies over. Grabs the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies over the table. And Blue wants to donate your money. Is that okay? That Blue does your money? Okay lang? Okay lang, i-donate ni Blue yung money. Okay naman. How about a second round? 500 pesos na po. Just kidding, we'll be returning your money, but first we'll have a photo opportunity with our bird, Blue. Just follow our trainer's instruction. Here's your money. Just wait at the side, our photographer will give you the photo for free. A round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, Blue. So let's just wait for Goldie and Red. So in trainer next we have Goldie and we have here Red. So first in the red we have our green macaw bandit. As you can see, bandit has a beautiful red plumage. His tails and wings feather is color blue and green. Bandit has a white-naked face striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Ara Pleuropterus. Now say hi to everyone, bandit. Hi. This time, bandit. Hi. Now up next in trainer next we have our blue and gold macaw Goldie. As you can see, Goldie has a beautiful shade of blue on his back and yellow on his belly and underside wings. So Goldie's scientific name is Ara Ararauna. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold macaw. We have Goldie up there and blue and azul earlier in that basketball game. Now lastly here with me is our Atlantis parrot Red. So Atlantis parrot or parrot issue in the parrot family, that is because of the extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning it can easily distinguish between female and male parrot. So Red right here with me is a female Atlantis parrot, while for male you will have a bright green. Our lovely bird once again to show to us how to put the shapes on its correct slots. So in the wild, the skills that bandit have is very essential for bandit to find food, shelter, and a place to nest. Last shape bandit. There you go. In subject line, a round of applause for bandit. So if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, let me hear you say, "You can do it, Goldie." Alright, Goldie, find us the hidden object. Goldie's searching. And she found it! A round of applause for our second bird, Goldie. So earlier, you have met our parrots. Now it's time to meet our lovely cockatoos. So around the globe, there are 21 unique species of cockatoos. But here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three. We have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella. So with training mix, we have Snow, we have your Tweety, and with training mix, we have Nigel. Your son with me is our silver-crested cockatoo named Tweety. As you can see, Tweety has a wide plumage. Now, Tweety prefers her habitat on the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. So Tweety is very distinguishable with sulfur yellow dress. So this is the dress. Tweety's scientific name is Tua gallerita. Now, after some attributes, we have our umbrella cockatoo named Nigel, also known as a white cockatoo or the great white-breasted cockatoo. Yellow dress. One for Nigel. Nigel has a pure white plumage. So Nigel's scientific name is Kakua alba. Now lastly with trainer mix, we have our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, also So once again, Snow is our Muluken Kakatu. So is Snow ready? Give us the first answer, Snow. Snow picks up number 2. So is the first number correct? Is the first number correct? Yes. Give us the last answer, Snow. Snow picks up number 0. So 5 plus 15 equals? Round of applause for our math wizards. Snow. Freddy is very distinguishable because of its well-defined spots around its body. Now, if you're wondering why I'm
Ayan guys, SM Seaside City. Picture naman na for safe picture. Pang kuan na naman ni panglubat-lubat.
Maari na ang mga sayayabos mga mayaman.
Sponsored by. Nga naman. Lagkit mo naman.
Ay, dako.
Suoton ka na po naman na picture dito. Hi guys. Yan guys. So guys. Ayan. Seaside City. SM.
What about you? What did you like?
I had to like slime.
Huh?
Slime. I like shark.
You like the shark?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that is Tita Jan. What's the other one? Wow, look at that. Let's go.
Wow. SM Seaside.
Ay, mga ako sa taon.
Tanaon na lang sa mga Yan guys, ayan, SM tour with Bibi Bata. Zipoya. Zipoy. Shh. Tanaw sa Abe, aras sam dansa. Kabe, sayo sa aras sam. Oh. Eme.
Bila po kuya, dili secret lang kayo.
Kuan.
Guess the bill.
Guess the bill. Pila ka bitanan.
No.
No.
I just say, guess the bill.
Pilain mo na eh. La. Guess the bill. Pila ni among na catching. The result, Charis. Wala. Naglibog na. 1,000 kung kang naigundi na. 6,000 kang naigundi na. 9,700 teron na. Makatagna, may makabayad. 7,400 kang GR. 7,400? Pues, marag. Basin. 5,000 imo mo no? Ang price ani kay koan.
I think 10-1 ako ha.
Oh my god. Hala. Hala, reveal na pila ang bill.
And the winner is 8,600.
Oh.
Ano kay kuya?
85. 93. Ala. Si Daog si Kigister. 85 iyang tag na din 8,600 tanan. Okay,
I calculated.